Okay, we're justifying this algebraically. In a triangle, if the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to the measure of the third angle, then the triangle is a right angle. Or right triangle rather. So I'm gonna draw the triangles here, okay, and let's say that one's the right angle, okay, and I'm gonna name them, okay. I'm gonna name them as angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So we can say this then, okay, it's saying that if the sum of the measures of two of them is equal to the third one, which means the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 3, right? Okay, and we also know this. It's a triangle, so the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 is equal to 180, okay? Now, check out what we can do. We can take this piece, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2, which is written right up here, and we can replace it with what it's equal to. Measure of 1 plus measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 3. So I can use substitution, and I can say the measure of angle 3 for this portion, right, plus, again, the measure of angle 3 equals 180. This is mathematics. Algebra, right? So then we say 2 times, and I'm going to put it in parentheses just to make it clear that it's 2 times the measure of angle 3 equals 180, because you're seeing it here twice now, so you can say it's 2 times that amount. And then by dividing both sides by 2, you get the measure of angle 3 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so the triangle's a right triangle because it's got a 90-degree angle in it. So algebraically, that proves it. Hope that makes sense.